Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn Creator Mode with YouTube Studio, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to YouTube Studio. Log into your YouTube account if you haven't already. In the left-hand menu, click on Customization. Select the Basic Info tab from the options. Scroll down to find the section labeled Links. Next, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select View Profile. Once on your profile page, locate the Resources section. Click on Creator Mode near the top of that section. Toggle the switch to enable Creator Mode. You'll see prompts to add topics to your profile. Choose at least 3 topics that reflect your expertise and interests. Once you've selected your topics, save the changes. Return to your YouTube Studio tab. In the Links section, click on Add to include your LinkedIn profile link. Paste the LinkedIn profile URL into the appropriate field. Label the link appropriately for easy identification. Review your changes in the YouTube Studio to ensure everything looks correct. Finally, click Publish to make your updates live. Now your LinkedIn Creator Mode is effectively linked to your YouTube channel. You're all set to showcase your expertise across both platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.